Learning English can be an exciting journey. Imagine being able to express your thoughts, share your stories, and connect with people from all over the world. One of the best ways to enhance your vocabulary is through reading. Pick up a book, an article, or even a blog that interests you. Each new word you encounter is a stepping stone to fluency. Practice speaking every day, even if it's just to yourself. Use new phrases in conversations, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They're part of the learning process. Listening is equally important. Tune into English podcasts or watch movies without subtitles. This helps you grasp the rhythm and intonation of the language. Lastly, immerse yourself in the culture. Join online forums or local groups where English is spoken. The more you engage, the more confident you'll become. Remember, every small effort counts. Keep pushing your boundaries, and soon you'll find yourself thinking in English